Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing a quick wig install. Here I'm braiding my hair down before I place this wig cap on top. I'm going to spray it with some Got2b glue and let it dry. Then I'm going to cut the excess off using some foundation to give it a more natural color. Now I'm going to brush my wig and I'm going to apply my wig, cut the lace off, and apply some Got2b glue. That way I can tack the wig down. And now I am plucking some hairs around the hairline for a more natural look. Combing all of the excess hair out. Now I am using my wand curler because I do not have a straightening comb. So I'm using the wand curler to smooth out the hairline where the part is. Now I'm just going to add a few curls for a little razzle dazzle. All over, just do a few messy curls, and there you have it. A natural looking hairline with a few curls, and your girl is ready to go. See that part, you guys? Looks very natural. Thank you for watching. Bye.